We are at Disney Springs today because something very special is going down. We are finally getting a drone show. It's called Dreams That Soar, and it's going to be right here until September 2nd. We got here pretty early, but the line is already getting backed up. So I think we're going to get in line soon, and we're also going to try and show you what all you can do here at Disney Springs.
When you get here, we recommend parking over at the orange parking garage because it's going to put you right where you need to be. You're going to come out by AMC, and the show is going to be back here by Cirque du Soleil, right after the House of Blues. There is a roped off entrance that I don't know if they're going to use later on, but here in the back is where everyone's lining up for the shows tonight. We're about to hop in line. It looks like the line is moving and it's gotten really backed up. Everyone looks super excited though. Are you looking forward to the show, babe?
I am. It's the first drone show I'm ever going to see.
We made it into our viewing area, and these are actually really nice. They're pretty narrow, so you're not like crammed in here. It's very spacious. And the great thing is the drones are like 400 feet in the sky, so no matter where you are, you're really gonna have a good view. We're very excited. We brought our magic bands tonight because we did read they are going to be lighting up to the show, so we are excited to check that out. But we've got just about an hour until showtime.
There's just 2 minutes left. I've already turned off all the lights. It's coming.
Jenna, this is really fun. We can fly. You can fly. We can fly.
Come on, everybody. Here we go. There it is, Wendy. Second start on the right and straight on till morning.
Just met you, and I love you.
All wings report in.
Red 5 standing by.
Right, coming in, point 3.
Watch that crossfire, boys.
Watch it, you've got one on your tail.
I have you now.
Come in, right area here.
AMAX, wings. Thrusters.
This might be the coolest one.
Flying makes me a better healthcare companion.
To prepare you for the dark, because the path you take ends far from where you start. If you feel small, you can fly away. New adventures coming your way, and tomorrow's always brighter than yesterday. Just a mountain where you'll go. Dreams that soar.
That show was so impressively good.
It was amazing. I didn't know what to expect because I've never seen a drone show. You haven't either.
No.
And then it started and I was like, whoa.
I was blown away. As much as I love Star Wars and how cool the Death Star was, I think Baymax was my favorite.
Baymax was your
Yes.
favorite? Okay, the house from Up was my favorite.
That was really good too. I love how the house from Up went from Dumbo and his balloon went
Yes.
into the balloon for the house.
Yeah, it was
That was
really
really
cool.
neat. Yeah.
Overall, though, the show was really, really good. Yeah, it was amazing. I want to see it again because I feel like I couldn't appreciate the whole thing.
There's another one at 10:45. We can go back for seconds. After the show, everybody has to like pile out the same way, and it's getting super backed up. So something to keep in mind when you are leaving. You might just want to hang out for a bit.
After the show is a perfect time to grab something sweet, and we're going to show you our favorite spot to do just that. Oh my God, this cupcake is so good. We finally made it to Sprinkles, which is our absolute favorite place for dessert. They have delicious cupcakes and shakes, cookies. Oh my God, I'm gonna marry this cupcake.
What type of cupcake is that you're marrying over there?
It's a salted caramel cupcake, and it is amazing.
They also have vegan cupcakes, which I really love. They have one vegan cupcake, let me rephrase that, but it's
Literally one.
the best cupcake you'll ever have. It is a red velvet, and I could eat one of these things every day and be really happy.
She really could, but you know, they're like $6.50, so we're not doing that, honey, sorry. There are so many things to do and see at Disney Springs. You can get some delicious food at the variety of restaurants they have here, from paddlefish, which looks like a giant boat, to T-Rex if you want to, you know, step it back into the Jurassic area. There's a huge variety. If you want to check out just some like apparel, there's stores for anything you might want here. If you love Lego, you can stop by the Lego store and check out some of the coolest sets that are available right now. You can even catch some live music. Disney Springs is just full of activities, so you really can't run out of fun.
We hope you guys had a fantastic time checking out Dreams That Soar with us.
If you are going to go to Epcot while you're visiting Disney Springs, come hang out with us so you can see how to have the perfect day. We'll see you there. Bye!